Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. Let's try out making keto pasta. Okay, first we combine the dry ingredients in a food processor. Then we add 1 egg. We add the cider vinegar. And then we add half a teaspoon of water at a time until it forms a ball. The recipe is below. And this is what you're looking for. It's soft, pliable, but not wet. Okay, put it in plastic, massage it for 30 seconds, then into the fridge anywhere between 30 minutes and 5 days. Okay, taking it out, I'm gonna work with a quarter of it at a time, and knowing what I know now, I would have made these half the size and thinner, so smaller and thinner than these. Anyway, so I'm making little coins, I'm just pressing them, and then I will also try making some farfalle or butterfly pasta out of them. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just using a rolling pin and then cutting into pieces. I'm not much for presentation. This is mainly a tryout of a recipe today. So see, just squeezing the middles. So that's the way to do it. Onto a baking sheet and then into the freezer for 15 minutes just to stiffen them up. I've got a quarter cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee here, and into that I'm adding 3 sliced garlic cloves. They were on the smaller side, but it's up to you, up to taste. Once they start bubbly on the edges, it's time to add the pasta or the little bread thingies in there. So I'm making half for today and half for another day. Once they start to simmer, you see along the edges they're bubbling, it's time to turn them. If they're not brown, just let them go a little bit longer. You can already see they're a little bit thick, so I'm complaining today, but I'm gonna make them smaller next time because it really did taste nice. I also had a Wild Hog pasta sauce that I had made, so I'm just serving with that to try it out. Some grated cheese and time for taste. There we go, some homemade pasta, keto pasta. I'm gonna make them smaller next time. Well, they're pasta-esque. So let's try them with some pasta sauce, Wild Hog pasta sauce. Well, I guess they're gonna work. Just make them smaller, maybe thinner, but well, they'll work. Thank you for watching. Bye.